Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place My Little Pony souvenir badges in your house in Heartopia game, My Little Pony update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I could unlock 3 badges, and just in case if you want to place the badges in your house, this tutorial will help you to do that. Okay, I'm going to go to my house, of course, and then we're going to open up our backpack, and you will see the badges here. Okay, this one. I'm going to select the Twilight Sparkle Sword badge, and then we can click on place, and then you can place it on the wall like this, and click on the check mark. Okay, and done. The badge has been already placed on the wall. So just like the other furniture, if you want to place this badge, just go to your backpack and then select the badge and place it in the part of your home that you want. Okay guys, and that's how you can place My Little Pony souvenir badges in your home in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!